Have you got $100 in your bank account and you are thinking about a profitable business that you can start with that $100 without having any regrets? Well, you have clicked on the right video, because I will be sharing you 5 profitable businesses that you can start with that $100. Now, let's just dive into the video. The first profitable business idea you can start in this year 2025 is being a personal shopper or stylist. A lot of people are sleeping on this one, but I have a family member. This is what she does for a living. She is a stylist or a personal shopper. So if you love fashion and know how to put together outfits, this is for you. How you make money on this one is by charging people to help them shop online or even in the stores. You can even go to the store, do all the shopping for them, and then send it to them. Post everything to them if they are far from you. And it does not only end there. You can even build outfits for occasions and events, vacations, or photo shoots. Where do you now use your $100? So your $100 can go into building a website if you want to use a website, or just do it via Instagram as most people do. You can use part of your $100 to get a business card or running your first Instagram ads if you decide to do it via Instagram. Like I said, a lot of people that I know uses Instagram. They don't have any website. All they do is they create all of these amazing ideas and post it on Instagram, because they're able to display their ideas so well on Instagram, and they are getting clients from them. And another good thing with the Instagram is you don't even need to buy any of these outfits at all. You don't need to go out there to purchase any of this outfit you're going to be displaying. Just learn how to design a model and then post it on your Instagram. That is it. Very easy. If you are also feeling, you want to style people first to show that you are also very good, style your friends and family. Once any of your friends is preparing for their birthday, tell them, let me style you, even for free. If your sisters are preparing for any event, tell them, let me style you for free, and then get their outfit ready. They will buy it. Your only work is to sort out the outfit and then do the purchasing. Can you see how good it is? Don't sleep on this anymore, because you can be making good money from this. All your celebrities that you know, guess what? They have a personal shopper or a stylist doing all their outfits. This can take you far if you're ready. The second profitable business idea that you can start in this year 2025 is selling digital products on Etsy. Now, let me tell you guys something. If you know how to design, or you have at least, even if it's just the slightest knowledge about designing, well, you can make a business selling digital products on Etsy or any other platform, but today we are gonna leave it on Etsy. Some of the things that you can design and sell will be like planners, budget trackers, Instagram templates, wedding checklist, and journals. These are things that you can create, and the platform that you can use to create all of this design will be Canva. Canva is actually free, but they also offer $12 monthly plan if you want that. But with the free version, you'll be able to create amazing content. Guess what? I launched my business using Canva to create everything I wanted. That $100 that you have, you can take part of that for your Etsy listing fees and optional ads if you want to run any ads just to promote what you sell on Etsy. But guess what? For every profit you will be making in this business, you are going to be keeping everything to yourself. A business you started with less than $100, you're now making this much. And I'll give you guys a pro tip over here. Once you have decided on the designs you're going to be creating, you can use ChatGPT or Notion AI to create your product descriptions. Like, it will automate your product description very well for Etsy. So get that into work right now. And if you don't know how to design, there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that will teach you how to design, but I can make a video on that another day. So let's move. The third profitable business idea that you can start in this year 2025 is freelance graphic designer. This one is booming. booming. Whether you like it or not, businesses are always gonna need logos, flyers, social media posts, and many more. Now this is where you come in. This is where you get to design all of these things for them. Design their Instagram posts, design their flyers, their business cards, their YouTube posts, their YouTube thumbnails, their YouTube videos, all of that. This is where you get to design it for them. Keep in mind, you do not need to be a pro on this. Just start with Canva, and then along the line you can go to Photoshop and or Illustrator later on. You don't even need to do it from the beginning. Canva can sort out like everything. Canva is so perfect for that. I have recommended Canva twice now, so don't sleep on Canva. So where do you now use your $100? You can use your $100 to get the Canva Premium, because a lot of businesses might need way detailed graphic designs. So this is where you can get Canva Premium, which is again $12 a month, or if you're in the UK it is £13 a month. You can also use part of your $100 to get fonts for your designs, because you're gonna need some amazing fonts, or even a cheap course to help sharpen your skills. How do you not get customer? Please promote yourself on Instagram, TikTok, or even Fiverr, because a lot of businesses are getting clients from Fiverr. Another way you can excel on this part is by building a portfolio of your work, of the designs you do. You can design a portfolio with Google Drive or again Canva. And once your portfolio is ready, start reaching out to people, start reaching out to businesses, start reaching out to YouTubers, start reaching out to influencers that you want to design their logos, their thumbnails, their profile pictures. This is how you get started. So don't sleep on this one, because it is booming. The number 4 is being a social media manager. So social media management in short. Believe me, a lot of big businesses, small businesses do not have the time to be posting on social media because they are too busy attending to their clients, and this is where you come in. This particular one pays a lot. You can be a freelance social media manager, and then businesses are reaching out to you, or you are reaching out to businesses to manage their social media accounts. What you will be doing is basically, like I said, social media management. You are managing everything regarding their social media. Things like you help them create posts, you help them schedule the posts to go live, you respond to their comments. You are going to be helping the business to grow online, so they need resources, and you don't need to have your own social media accounts to be a social media manager. All you need is the knowledge. Be ready to keep growing, be ready for change, because in the social media world, change is constant. Things are changing every single day. So for a beginner, you can start with 1 or 2 clients and just keep growing for there. Keep growing. Again, just make sure that you have a portfolio for this one as well. Some of the tools you might need to get the knowledge on, which you can watch a lot of YouTube videos to get knowledge of these tools. If you don't already have the knowledge, you can use tools like Meta Business Suits, Canva again, and to schedule posts for these businesses, you can use scheduling apps like Buffer or Later. So where does your $100 now go to? Your $100 can go towards a ring light to support your business, because the weather, you can rely on the weather for daylight only. You might also need a Mac just to get that smooth, good voice, or even to run some ads to get clients to your business and just give you that audience that you need. A pro tip that I will give to you guys on this one is, please offer a low cost package for a start. Then you can upsell once you start seeing results. So don't drive potential clients away by your price. I have a video where I talked about how to get your first 100 clients once you start your business. So I will link that video up there. Make sure you go see it. It's very, very important. It really will help you to get your first 100 clients, or your first even 5 clients once you start this business. The 5th profitable business idea that you can start for $100 is a lash technician. Guess what? Being a lash technician is one of the most profitable. beauty business you can start from the comfort of your home. Yes, as someone who has a knowledge of being a lash technician, believe me, this can make you good money. Like the $100 you're starting with will be like chicken change once you start getting those clients. Like it can make you good money. You can get a beginner lash kit on Amazon for under $100 and then learn with YouTube tutorials, or you can choose to invest in a mini course. Once you have gotten that course, please, or once you have done your online training via YouTube, please practice either on your friends or families. That's what I did. I practiced on my family, on cousins and friends. So once you practice on those people and you are good, ready to launch your business, because this is gonna make you good money. I saved the best for the last. Once you are confident enough and you can do anyone's lashes, you can charge from $40 to $100 per set, depending on your area. And sometimes you can get from 2 to 3, 4, 5 clients a day. So imagine how much you're going to be making on each of these clients, and you can do this from the comfort of your home for real. The beauty industry is booming and people love beauty that is done right. The good thing about this type of business is you can always get returning customers, because once your customer love the set of lashes that you did for them, they were satisfied with the customer service and everything, they will always come back for a refill or to get full sets all over again from you if you know what you're doing. So make sure that you know what you're doing. A tip I'll give you guys for this one is use Instagram and TikTok to post result and client transformation. Make sure you're doing transition so that both Instagram and TikTok algorithm can be referring your videos in their For You page so more people can see your videos. And word of mouth can actually grow your bookings very fast. If you get any client, tell them please refer your friends, and if you refer them, you can get discount for the both of you. I know a lot of lash technicians that also started, that was their strategy. It'll be like 2 people, instead of charging £50 per each, they'll now charge £40, sometimes 45, 45 once you bring a friend. So these are the kind of discounts you can use to gather clients, gather people to this business. Those are the 5 profitable business you can start for $100 or under $100 in this year 2025. So now comment which one was your favorite, which one are you going to start. Do you need me to go into more details on how you can start any of these? I will be so happy to do that. So please leave a comment telling me, can you dive into more about, let's say, lash technician, the social media manager, or the graphic designs, or the digital products. Anyone you would like me to make a video on how to start from the beginning, make use of your $100 properly, where I'm happy to do that for you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, please do me a favor by subscribing, liking, sharing, and leaving a comment. I can't wait to see you on my next video, and I'll be posting more video about other profitable business idea you can start. So stick around and see you on my next video. Bye.